Hi guys, Ben from Flow Brackets. Today we've got this beautiful E53 AMG in, and we're going to show you how to delete this oversized OEM plinth that is way too big and ugly with our miniature version. All you're going to need is a screwdriver to remove the 3 screws and then pull it off. All right, now that you've got the oversized plinth off, the next step would be to get our miniature plinth on, and it goes into this hole. It's got a locating pin, so you can't really stuff it up. And then mark 2 holes and put in your 2 screws. But let me explain a little bit more about the plinth first. It is a 2-part mounting solution, and that means that you need to get a matching number plate bracket for you to complete the 2-part mounting solution. So if you had European plates, you'd get a Euro bracket to suit. If you would have a standard plate, you'd get a standard bracket to suit. If you had a slimline plate, you would get a slimline bracket to suit. Or if you had a smaller variant 3 to 4 character slimline plate, you'd get the matching bracket to suit and bolt it on. But for today, we're installing 6-digit heritage, so we're getting a 6-digit heritage bracket. All right, so let's get this miniature plinth on. This locating pin will align with the factory hole. It goes into that hole there, seats quite neatly, it doesn't really move. Get your writing instrument, in this case a silver Sharpie, mark out the 2 holes. And then we can pilot drill with a 3mm drill bit. The next step is to grab your 3mm drill bit and pilot drill the holes that you've marked out, like that. Make sure you go through 2 skins of plastic. Then insert the screws provided in the fitting kit. Before we attach the bracket on, we should plug up these holes, and these plugs that we've designed are part of our fitting kit. And the last and final step is to get your number plate onto the bracket. And that's the cleanest way to get number plates onto an E53 AMG with our OEM plinth delete kit and number plate bracket system. Just remember, it is a 2-part mounting solution, so you'll need to buy the miniature plinth, which you can't buy it by itself. You have to check out with a matching number plate bracket to complete the system. If you've got some time, guys, check out our rear install and I'll show you how to get that done. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.